Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, has become the first hospital in Northeast region to establish a modular operation theatre, marking a significant step forward in the field of eye treatment. It was unveiled by RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar, Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev, along with RIMS Department of Ophthalmology, HOD Professor Y. Chingsui Ngamba, and its staff and faculty members. The team also inspected the modular operation theatre, which is considered as a high-technology medical infrastructure, doctor's lounge, pre-operative room, and as an aseptic zone. Addressing the event, RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar also announced that the institute is actively working towards setting up an eye bank to facilitate corneal transplant services. He maintained that relevant faculty members have already received training as part of the initiative. The director also commended Ophthalmology Department, HOD, staff and faculty for their contribution in establishing the modular operation theatre. Meanwhile, Professor Y. Chingsui highlighted that RIMS Ophthalmology Department is now equipped with various state-of-the-art infrastructures, including the modular operation theatre, which can even treat people from outside the state.
The field of ophthalmology is rapidly advancing with the integration of state-of-the-art technology, and it is imperative that we keep pace with global standards to provide our patients with best possible care. The modular operation theatre complex, we can proudly say that this is one of the first in the entire Northeast in a government setup, is a symbol of our commitment to excellence in surgical care. Designed with advanced infection control measures, high efficiency ear filtration and modern surgical infrastructure, this facility will significantly enhance the safety, precision and efficiency of ophthalmic surgeries.